Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to make bold the border of a table in Microsoft Word. So get ready started. At first open your Word document file. Firstly, create a table and going to the insert menu option. Now for click and click for the table option. Then create a table. This table is moved. Then we can say is select your all table and going to the border option and click for the 4pt and click for the border option. Now click for the all border option. That's okay. Then show the bold the border tables in Microsoft Word. I hope to enjoy video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.